All right, we're going to test out the Ecoflow 3000 generator and the Delta Plus. It's at 29%, and we got it hooked up to the propane. We're going to test it out with the app and charge the power station today. There it did. It kicked on all by itself. So I just plugged it in, put the gas on it, and now it's charging the power station. So it's 9:32 a.m. We'll see how long it takes to charge this thing up. We'll come back in a little bit. All right, we've been running for about 30 minutes. And we're at 97% power. So hopefully it'll kick off the generator when it gets at 100% power. So let's look at the app and see how much longer we have. So 1 more minute is what it's saying. Estimating 1 more minute to get to the 100% charge. There we go, we're at 100%, and how about that? So once the power station hit 100%, the generator kicked off. So that's pretty nice. This works out really well. So, hey, thanks for watching this far into the video. We're gonna do the big generator next. I'm gonna pull that out, and we're gonna run it for about 30 minutes. All right, we're gonna let it run for 30 minutes. We're going to let it run for 30 minutes. I guess I should put a load on it at some time.